I had a dream the other night about how...
Hi, I'm Polly Middlehurst. You may or may not recognise me from my 20 years on Sky News. You may or may also not know that I'm half Maltese, and my cousins have asked me to send a message to you guys in Malta. Of course, with a lot of my family in Malta, I am of course worried and concerned about you guys over there. And Sandra's asked me to tell you how we're coping with isolation in the UK. Well, we're on about day 10 of lockdown here. I'm lucky enough to have a small garden, so we can sit out on the front and the back. I have a couple of dogs and I go out every day for a nice long walk by the river and back again. We're allowed to go about a kilometre away from our homes. But I'm aware that many people in Malta live in flats, and so that option won't be open to you. So my heart goes out to you as you're all living on top of each other. And all I can say is, you know what? From what I'm reading on social media, the best thing is to separate into separate rooms so you don't get on top of each other. Make sure you structure your day with some sort of routine, so whether or not it's just doing some exercises in front of the computer in the morning and then breaking it up with some lunch, and then maybe getting together on FaceTime, or House Party is a really good app to get together with friends on for the rest of the day, and then perhaps watching some TV or reading in the evening. It is going to be a long slog, but I'm sure you've seen the rate of deaths is going up because of coronavirus, and we must all do our part. And that's us in the UK, that's the people of Europe, the people of Malta, people of the whole world. Funny enough, we're all in the same boat. So I hope that gives you an idea of what I'm doing. Our Prime Minister keeps saying, stay home, stay safe, protect lives. And I would say the same to you. Lots of love to you all in Malta, from us here in the UK. And we can get through this together.